Hi, my name is Bahadur Edizer. I am a third-year med student here at the Faculty of Medicine. I'm from the United States. I was born in New York, and I've been in GAZİANTEP for the past 4 years. So I've been here for about 4 years, and I joined the med school here after I met a professor here. His name was Ahmet Arslan, and I'm doing a master's program here as well in medical biology. For the most part, the university is really good. I haven't had too many problems. There hasn't been any issues, really. I like the campus, and the city's pretty good, but the campus is really nice compared to the rest of the region. So when it comes to resources and funding, there's actually quite a bit here, and so we get to do a lot of research, especially things that I want. Right now, we're doing stem cell therapy research. We're doing stuttering therapy research. In the med school itself, we just got a new building, and the new building is quite good, so we haven't had any problems there. When it comes to the students, I can say that at least at the med school, the students are really good. They're all smart, intelligent, cultured people, so I haven't had any problems there. In terms of diversity, we have students from Iran, many of the Arabic countries, Germany. I've even met a student from Canada. There's also a bunch of different students from Kenya, Nigeria, and other places as well. I think even Azerbaijan and some other countries. So I've had the pleasure of meeting a lot of nice people here, and for that reason I'm very happy at Antep University.